see the living area. It is very spacious. This is the kitchen area. Again, it's very wow. This bedroom indeed looks amazing. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayshree and today we are here for sample flat tour by Sattva Aeropolis, situated in Bellary Main Road, Devanahalli. We will get to know a lot about the project. Before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you at the best bottom rate price. Unlike other listing platform, once you go for an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such a platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So hurry up and go book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So talking about the project overview, the entire project is built on a 11-acre land and it has 11 towers and they have one basement, one ground floor and 11 floors. And talking about the variants, we have 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. And the most important thing, let's talk about the connectivity. The airport is just 5.2 kilometers away from the project and the healthcare centers are just 1.2 kilometers away. Tech parks are just 2 kilometers away. And most importantly, this project is right beside the National Highway 44 and the Karnataka Industrial Development Project. And let's talk about the amenities. So, this project has a beautiful and huge swimming pool. It has clubhouse, yoga center, sitting lawns and lotus spot and 30 plus amenities and much more. So with this, now it's time to have a look at the sample flat. Let's go. So we are right in front of the 2 BHK by Aeropolis Sattva and this is located in Bellary Main Road, Devanahalli. So let's go have a look at this 2 BHK flat. So as you enter, you can see the living area. It is very spacious. As you can see, it's beautifully designed. You can look at the entire interiors. It looks amazing. And on my left side, we have the sofa area and right in front of the sofa, we have this television unit. Again, you can look at this television unit. It looks beautiful with this white and golden. And also we have a table here where you can showcase and place your cute little things. And as you can see here, we have this dining area and it looks really beautiful with this glass table and 4 chairs. It looks really beautiful and amazing. And now it's time to look at the balcony. We have this sliding door. And the balcony is really very spacious and you can see they have given us the lawn finish and it looks really pleasant and it gives a peaceful vibe. So you can enjoy your leisure time here having a sip of coffee and it's really amazing. So now it's time to look at the kitchen area. So yes, this is the kitchen area. Again, it's very spacious. And you can see it's a modular kitchen and also we have a window here and also the ventilation is there. Let's head to the common bathroom. So you can see this common bathroom. It looks really spacious with anti-skid tiles as well as high-end sanitary equipments fitted all over here. You can see and we have a window for the ventilation and also a beautiful mirror hand wash basin. And now it's time to look at the first bedroom in this 2 BHK flat. So it's very spacious and you can see the wardrobe has this wooden touch. It looks really antique. It gives a vintage look and it is really amazing. And you can see on that side we have the window. So again with French sliding, so it gives again a very beautiful garden and scenery view. And here the most important thing in a bedroom, we have the dressing area. It's a very huge mirror. It looks really beautiful. And we head to the master bedroom. It's time to know what Housey does for us. So Housey provides sample flat tours and also actual location tours, and also it provides the pros and cons, why you should buy the project, why you should invest in this project and much more. And most importantly, it provides 360-degree virtual project tour, and most important thing is it provides all the inclusive pricing details including EMI as well as down payment. And now it's time to have a look at the master bedroom. Let's go. Wow, this bedroom indeed looks amazing. As you can see, we have a spacious bed, and on the right side we have the wardrobe, and also right beside the wardrobe we have this huge mirror. You can check over here. And we also have window for ventilation. So you can see it's a French sliding window. And again, we have a beautiful garden out there. So you can enjoy your evening by sitting here. You can just drop a chair, sit and enjoy your sip of coffee or tea. And this is the attached bathroom. And we have this anti-skid tile and high-end sanitary equipments. And also a beautiful mirror, and you can see the wash basin and much more, and also the shower. So again, this is spacious with window for ventilation. So the most important thing is we have ventilation in all the bathrooms and in all the bedrooms, and also in the living area we have the balcony. So yes, it's a beautiful house for sure, with all the necessary things what we would expect when we buy a home. So yes, this was all about the 2 BHK flat tour by Aeropolis Sattva, which is located in Bellary Main Road, Devanahalli. So if you liked this video, do let us know what you liked most about this project, whether the bedroom interiors or the hall interiors, the living area interiors. Do let us know in the comment section. So yes, I have shared all the details about this project by Sattva Aeropolis. So have you heard about this builder, and do you know from how many years they have been in this industry, and do you have experience buying any flat or projects from them? So feel free to mention your feedback in the comment section. So your valuable feedback matters a lot to us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to Aussie to know more about such projects. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.
So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Aeropolis located in Devanahalli by Sattva Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.